First sentence, he didn't dash to school yesterday. Now look at this. Didn't means did plus not, which is actually and now after did we always use V1. This is V1, this is V2 and this is V3. So we will write here go. Always remember after did only V1 we have to use. Okay. Now next, number 2. Have you dash a banana? Now see, have is auxiliary verb and after have, has, had, always we have to use V3. Okay, so here it is V1, at is V2 and eaten is V3. Now tell me which one I have to use here. Yes, you're right. The number C, eaten. E-A-T-E-N. Eaten. Number 3, he was not dash a song. Always remember when auxiliary verb like was, am, is, are, after that we should use V4. V4 means V plus ing, right? So here this is the sing plus ing, V and ing. So now tell me which one I have to write down here. Singing. He was not singing, right? Now next, number 4. He had dash a cake. Now look at this had. We have told earlier that if had, has, have all are there, then we have to use V3. Here bake is V1, baked is V2 and baking is V4. Okay, then which one we have to use? And baked also past participle form also V3. So here baked, he had baked. He had baked a cake. I hope you understood all of these rules. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.